Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to see top artists in Spotify. And for this, we're going to be using statsforspotify.com. Okay, come to this website and then click here on a login with Spotify. Okay, now we'll see all the permissions we're going to be granting after we allow Spotify to connect to stats to Spotify. Don't worry, it is completely trusted. And then we can click on agree right here. And now it has connected, okay? You just needed to make sure you actually sign into Spotify first to be able to automatically connect. Now, if I come here and click on a top artist, there you go. Click on top artist and it's loading it up, okay, for the last 4 weeks. And then we have last 6 months and last 12 months as well. Okay, there we go. You would be able to see your top artist. And it's really that easy and simple.